SlipDoctors Bathtub and Shower Kit is absolutely amazing to create slip resistance. Before using the SlipDoctor solution, our shower and tub is slippery and unsafe. It comes with 2 bottles, a glove, and a scrub brush for easy application. This formula is ideal for ceramic, porcelain, and tiled showers. For the first step of preparation, you want to clean the bathtub or shower with a general household cleaner. After cleaning, you want to rinse the area several times and let dry. After this step, it's time to get ready to apply. You want to make sure you wear a long sleeve shirt and eye protection. 1 bottle is sufficient for a standard size bathtub or shower. Use 2 bottles for larger bathtubs and showers. Now it's time to apply the solution. Coat and rub evenly over the bottom of your shower or bathtub. Keep the solution on for 8 to 10 minutes. After thoroughly rinsing, allow the bathtub or shower to fully dry. Now we have created microscopic treads on the surface. Keep in mind this product will cause no aesthetic changes. Now my bathtub will be slip resistant for years, thanks to SlipDoctors.